Food security, with a population, the world population that's already at 8 billion and pushing towards 10 billion, by 2050, we must double food production. And that requires technology, a lot of technology. So part of what I do is actually train people in agric biotechnology. And there's been this controversy about GMOs and non-GMOs. The truth is, it's just common sense that you need technology. The earth isn't expanding, but the number of people are exploding. In 1963, there were just 3 billion people on earth. And now we have 8 billion pushing towards 10. The world didn't increase or double. So it just makes sense to know that we must use technology to increase food output. So that's what we do in biotechnology. There are many facets of agrobiotechnology, but I know the Nigerians have been talking about engineering plants and seeds and all that. But there are aspects that involve microorganisms. It's because without the microbes and the fertile soil, it doesn't matter how you engineer the plant, it's not going to do well. So GMOs still need fertile soils. So that's part of what we do in my company. We help to create bioinoculants, microbiomes, that help these plants, whether they be GMO or non-GMO, to flourish and to increase yield, and also to be resilient to pests. With climate change, there is only one thing that is sure: change. And that is also comes with increase in pests and post-harvest losses. So in biotechnology, agrobiotech, we develop means of preserving foods. In fact, the very engineering of those crops allows them to be resilient to pests, helps them keep after they are harvested. So there are many other protocols that we also use. Now, in terms of health, all of the vaccines that we used during the COVID time is a product of biotechnology research. In environment also, environmental resilience, bioremediation, all of that is what we do. Producing and finding ways to source track pollution and to stop it. Rapid detection of pathogens is a very strong passion of mine that I pursue both in the university and in my companies. We work on qPCR protocols, developing probes, and PNA protocols. So many of that we do in the lab to help, because if we can rapidly detect pathogens, then we can control them easily.